That's why you want it to be so precise.
This is the cross slide and it's moving in and out, so this is Z. This is X. X would be diameter. So, let's see here. 875 would be inch and 7/8. So I'm gonna come in. And it doesn't matter, that's plastic, but it could be steel, it could be aluminum, it could be anything. So we're going to, I'll set that again. Absolute. Quiet. Notice it says absolute. Absolute is from 0. Incremental is from where you are. So if you move, if this is 0 and you move 1 inch absolute, that's 1 inch. If you move 2 inches absolute, that'll bring you over to here. If you're incremental and you move 1 inch absolute, you come to here. I mean incremental. But if you move 2 inches incremental, you go over to here. That's 3 instead of 2. So incremental is from the last point. Absolute is from 0. This is 1200 RPM.
Just in case you guys like your eyes.
Yeah,
So-
thank you.
So does this, oh, thank you.
Thank you.
What?
Does this adjust like the
Speed.
gear you're in?
Speed.
And then, okay.
We're
So I'll
in,
just, all right.
if you follow the arrow,
I'm far enough away.
here, 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 we're in this row. We're in 3, so it's 1200 RPM.
Okay.
Give me a,
Now we're in 85 RPM.
so here's 60. And this, come on, 2, this is 1700. I could cut here too. This is only plastic. So where's my, we got my, no, that's, you could just throw it out on the floor.
Oh, do you recycle the stuff in your bucket over here, Tony, or just?
The aluminum I'd like to recycle, but.
Okay. Got a little plastic in there.
Okay, we're at 715. 1 inch 715.
Okay.
1 inch. You see the 7 and 15.
Oh, okay.
Each graduation on here is 1/1000th of an inch. 4 of them make a sheet of paper. this little gadget, dial indicator. From 0 to 1 is 1/1000th of an inch. Every line is 0.0001, 1/10,000th of an inch.
Wow. Pretty accurate.
This, where is it? Here we go. This is only a 1 inch, but micrometer. 0 to 1 is 100 thousandths plus 25. So that's an 1/8 inch in here. This looks to be like a 3/8 cutter. So you'd open it up, generally hold it like this. It's not a C-clamp. You just, so it should be 375. Right? 300, 25, 50, 75, and it's right on 0.
Okay.
This is a veneer scale. If you want to start splitting hairs and go down into the tenths, you have to line up the lines. If a 5 would line up with another line, well, that's a 1/1000. But you'd never, that's kind of really splitting hairs. This, since you're here, this is a regular end mill, a regular high-speed steel tool. Feel it? This is a carbide tool. This is sharp. This is hard. If you drop this, it might chip. This, there's just, it's high carbon steel that they harden. You pass them down. And everything in here works by the harder material cuts the softer.
The carbide bits are harder than the steel
Yes,
bits,
but
right?
they're not as sharp
Oh, really?
because as you're grinding that fine edge, it chips away.
Huh.
It can't hold the
So
edge.
brittle, yeah.
So